Before you learn some interesting facts about semen and sperm and egg migration, take a look at what a range of on-campus students thought about how long sperm were able to live after sexual intercourse.
Like days?
Couple of days, yeah.
A couple of days.
Well, it's a fairly harsh environment, so I would say maybe maximum 48 hours.
I think it's at around the 6 hour mark.
15 minutes? I don't know, they go pretty bloody fast.
Depends on the environment, I think, because they're fairly acidic, so if it's in the uterus, which is fairly basic, I think it neutralizes and it just keeps it alive for a bit longer, but could be wrong on that fact.
5 days? I think it's five days.
I'm going to guess 8 days.
Like, it depends.
Outside the body, it's like 2 to 5 days.
And then I know inside the body, it's like 3 to 5 days. But it depends on your acidity in the uterus.
I think it's a long time. Like, I think people think they die straight away, but I think it's like 3 days.
Yeah, I
that
think
could
so.
be really long, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
Let's talk semen. Semen is a mixture of sperm and seminal fluid. Sperm are of course made in the testes, but they only contribute about 2 to 5% of what's in semen. The rest of semen is seminal fluid. Seminal fluid is made by 3 accessory glands in the male. The seminal vesicles, which contribute 65 to 75% of seminal fluid. The prostate, which contributes 25 to 30%, and the bulbourethral glands, which contribute less than 1% of the fluid in semen. There are many important and interesting facts about semen. Here are 4 facts to get you started. 1. Half a teaspoon is A-OK. According to the World Health Organization, a normal ejaculate can range in volume from 1.5 mils to 6 mils, although in a clinical setting, anything less than 2 mils usually triggers further investigation, especially if a couple is struggling to conceive. A very low semen volume can indicate blockage of the ducts of the seminal vesicles, or even a complete absence of the seminal vesicles. 2. Concentration matters. It takes only 1 sperm to fertilise an egg, but a healthy ejaculate contains anything from 15 million to 200 million sperm per mil. This might seem like a waste of sperm, but it's not, because the vast majority of sperm never actually reach an egg. Many sperm are destroyed by vaginal acid, or leak out of the vagina. Some sperm are destroyed by defence cells in the uterus, and half go up the wrong oviduct. Only 2,000 to 3,000 sperm actually reach the vicinity of the egg, which explains why hundreds of millions of sperm need to be released in every ejaculate. 3. Semen transmits more than just sperm. Clearly, the main role of semen is to transport sperm into the female reproductive tract. But semen can also contain, and therefore can also transport, infectious agents. These infectious agents include the hepatitis B or C virus, HIV, which is the cause of AIDS, and HPV, which causes genital warts and cancer. The chance of transmitting these viruses depends on many factors, including the virulence of the virus, the viral load within the seminal fluid, and whether or not safe sex is practiced. And 4. Abnormal is normal. A typical human sperm looks like this, or does it? Look at semen under a microscope and you'll see that not all sperm cells look typical or normal. Some sperm have small heads, some large heads, and a few sperm have 2 heads. Similarly, some sperm have 2 tails, others have strangely shaped tails, and a few sperm have no tails. The World Health Organization says that a human semen sample is normal if only 4% of sperm have a normal appearance, which means that up to 96% of sperm can look abnormal, but that's okay. It is, however, worth pointing out that only normal-looking sperm reach and fertilise an egg. Okay, that's 4 fun facts about semen. If you're keen for more, read on. I've listed some more facts after this video.